Marines and sailors, it is our distinguished honor to recognize 4th MAW's 80th anniversary with you today. We were born in the Pacific, activated on 22 August 1942 at Ewa, Hawaii as the 4th Marine Base Defense Aircraft Wing, and later redesignated as the 4th Marine Aircraft Wing. 4th MAW began its distinguished history during some of the heaviest fighting of World War II.
4th MAW rapidly became a well-respected aviation team that helped secure victory across the Pacific, playing a critical role in our nation's victories during the Pacific campaigns of the Marshalls and Marianas.
For decades, 4th MAW has continued to demonstrate operational readiness and warfighting excellence. From the first engagements in Korea, to Operations Desert Shield and Desert Storm, to the global war on terrorism, 4th MAW has remained relevant, ready, responsive, and ruthless.
With Force Design 2030's focus in the Indo-Pacific region, 4th MAW has seen its changes in our organization, training, and equipment over the past years. We have deactivated units and commenced integrating new aircraft into our fleet.
Our exercises and training at Gunslinger 22, ITX, and Unitas have been full-scaled evolutions, integrating technology advancements, developing adversarial threats and unfamiliar terrain, and ensuring that 4th MAW is ready for the next fight. Just as we played a critical role in the Pacific Campaign 80 years ago, our relevance has never wavered and our readiness has remained constant.
As we celebrate our 80th anniversary, let us reflect upon our many successes over the years, honor those who came before us, and be proud of the legacy we have created.
Marines and sailors, take pride in your contributions to the security and strength of our nation. Continue to serve with the same dignity and honor as we have for the past 80 years. Happy anniversary, 4th MAW, and Semper Fidelis.